Foodies, welcome back. Today I'm going to introduce watermelon rind to you. What is this rind? As you can see, this is the watermelon and I ate the red part and this white flesh is left over. This is called the rind of the watermelon and we usually throw it in the trash. It has so many health benefits. It helps in regulating blood pressure, good for diabetic people, and most of all it's very good for weight loss. So I thought of making dosa out of it, and I have so many other recipes using this rind. So stay tuned for that and be the first one to subscribe my channel and show that love to me by subscribing it and press the bell icon for more notification. Thank you for watching. Let's make some dosa out of watermelon rind with some basic onion tomato chutney. For this we need equal amount of rice and watermelon rind. I took 1½ cup each. Soak the rice for at least 5 hours or overnight. Then in a blender we need to grind it together along with 3 to 4 green chillies, 1 inch of ginger and some water. Transfer this to another bowl. To this, add 1/3 cup of besan or gram flour and salt as needed. Mix it well till you get a lump-free batter. Let it rest for a while. Till then, let's prepare our onion tomato chutney. Heat oil in a pan and when it is heated, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3 to 4 dry red chillies, 3 pieces of garlic pods, and 1 tablespoon of urad dal. Mix everything well and fry till it turns light brown in color. Once done, add 1 medium-sized onion cut into cube size along with some salt as per your taste. Once the onion becomes little translucent, add 3 medium-sized tomatoes and cook till you get a good aroma or it becomes little mushy. Keep it aside to cool down and then blend it into a smooth paste. Now that the chutney is ready, let's check with the dosa. I added some coriander leaves and as you can see, the batter is neither too thick or runny. I like my dosa to be this way. You can adjust the consistency adding more water or reducing it. Now heat the pan with oil, add ladle full of batter to it and spread in circular motion. Sprinkle some oil and let it cook for 1 or 2 minutes. Flip the dosa and cook the other side. Similarly, make all your dosas and then serve hot with your easy tomato chutney. Do not throw away the rind and use it in many other ways. Do like and subscribe my channel. Meet you next time with a brand new recipe. Till then, bye bye.